Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today in our EVS class, we are going to write revision of bird's name in our EVS notebook. Take out your EVS notebook where we will write where we have written the spelling of peacock and manna. On the next page we will be writing the revision. So whenever you will write this work, you have to write the date. Now we will start our work. We will keep 3 finger space from the margin line. Margin line से हम 3 finger की space रखेंगे and then we will write capital B. स्टूडेंट्स, हमें ये जो रेड लाइन है उसको टच करके लिखना है. देन वी विल राइट स्मॉल आई, देन स्मॉल आर, स्मॉल डी, स्मॉल एस, BIRDS, बर्ड्स. अब हम नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखेंगे, यहाँ से लिखेंगे. वी विल राइट नंबर 1 बिटवीन 2 ब्लू लाइन्स. We will write the spelling of crow. So we will write after the margin line. We will write capital C from red line till blue line. Then small r between 2 blue lines. Small o, 2 blue lines के बीच में. Then small w. So the spelling is CROW. Crow. CROW, crow. Now we will write number 2 between 2 blue lines. We will write the spelling of pigeon. We will write capital P, small I, small g, small e, small o, small n, PIGEON, pigeon. We will write number 3 in the next line. We will write the spelling of parrot. So we will write capital P after the blue line. Capital P from red line till blue line. Then small a between 2 blue lines. फिर हम लिखेंगे स्मॉल आर 2 ब्लू लाइन्स के बीच में. स्मॉल आर लाइक दिस. देन स्मॉल ओ 2 ब्लू लाइन्स के बीच में. देन स्मॉल टी फ्रॉम रेड लाइन टिल ब्लू लाइन. सो द स्पेलिंग इज PARROT, parrot. We will write number 4. We will write the spelling of eagle. हम कैपिटल E लिखेंगे from red line till blue line. Then small a between 2 blue lines. Then small g from blue line till red line. Then small l red line से blue line. Then small e between 2 blue lines. So the spelling is EAGLE, eagle. Now we will write number 5. Number 5 पर हम लिखेंगे spelling of owl. We will write capital O from red line till blue line. Then small w, small l, OWL, owl. OWL, owl. Now we will write number 6 in the next line. We will be writing the spelling of sparrow. We will write capital S from red line till blue line. Then small p, blue line से red line. Then small a between 2 blue lines. Small r, small t, small l, 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 small r, small o, small w. SPARROW, sparrow. SPARROW, sparrow. Now we will write number 7 in the next line. We will write the spelling of peacock. We will write capital P, then small e, small a, small c, small o, small c, small k. PEACOCK, peacock. Now we will write number 8 in the next line. दो ब्लू लाइन्स के बीच में लिखना है. We will write the spelling of मैना. We will write capital M, small y from blue line till red line, then small n between two blue lines, then small a. MYNA, मैना. Students, in this way we have finished the revision. Now we will revise. CROW, crow. PIGEON, pigeon. PARROT, parrot. EAGLE, eagle. OWL, owl. SPARROW, sparrow. PEACOCK, peacock. MYNA, मैना. Students, write this spelling in good handwriting and learn the spellings by heart. Thank you and have a nice day.